Is your big money transfer waiting because you're worried about security? When you need to send a large amount of money internationally, that transfer can feel stressful. You want it fast, you need it affordable, but most importantly, you need to know your funds are safe. Paysend is a trusted platform for sending money worldwide, and today, we're breaking down exactly how to send those larger amounts securely and efficiently. We'll cover the need-to-know steps and the key safety features that protect your funds. First up, a crucial step for large transfers, account verification. Paysend, like all regulated financial services, has sending limits. To move a significant sum, you will almost certainly need to raise your default limits. This means verifying your identity to a higher standard. You will typically be asked to provide documents like a photo ID, and for even higher tiers, proof of address and documentation about your source of funds. This isn't about being nosy, it's a mandatory regulatory step that helps prevent fraud and comply with global anti-money laundering standards. Always follow the instructions provided by Paysend and ensure your documents are clear and valid. The better your documentation, the smoother and faster the verification process. Once your limits are comfortably set, you get to the transfer itself. Here's where Paysend's security features kick in. 1. Top-tier security and compliance. Paysend is regulated in multiple jurisdictions and complies with the highest standards, including PCI DSS Level 1 for card data security. This means your personal and financial information is encrypted and protected at the same level as major banks. 2. Transparent, fixed fees. With Paysend, you see the exchange rate, the fixed transfer fee, and the exact amount your recipient will get before you confirm the transaction. This transparency is a key safety net. No hidden charges mean no nasty surprises. 3. Real-time tracking and notifications. After you hit send, you can monitor your transfer. Paysend often sends money in real time, especially to cards, but you'll get notifications and can track the status right in the app. Being able to see the journey of your money provides peace of mind. Now, a couple of best practices for you. Always double-check the recipient's details. For a large sum, triple-check the name, card number, or bank account information. A small mistake can cause a significant delay or complication. Next, enable all available security features on your Paysend account, like two-factor authentication or biometric login. This adds an extra layer of protection, ensuring that even if someone gets your password, they can't access your account without your phone or fingerprint. Finally, remember that while Paysend is a fantastic choice for large transfers thanks to its flat fee structure which often makes larger amounts more cost-effective, if your transfer hits a limit, you may be prompted to split the amount into several transfers over a period of time. Always work within the limits set by your verified account tier. Following these steps, getting your verification sorted, relying on the platform's robust security, and being meticulous with details, is the safest way to ensure your large transfer via Paysend is a complete success. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.